What's good, YouTube? It's your homeboy Camcorder Banks, the hairwear connoisseur, streetwear lover, straight like that. And today we're about to teach you something that's small but really effective when it comes to streetwear or lifestyle fashion. And we're teaching you how to do the perfect pinwheel cuff. Let's not wait any longer. Let's get right to it. Roll camera. Alright, so there might be just a few ways that people like to do the pinwheel cuff. They might do them big, they might do them small. Some like to roll it up and make it look like a fruit roll up. That's not my thing. I don't enjoy that style. It doesn't look clean, it doesn't look too presentable to me. Maybe later on if the fashion trend moves that way, maybe so. But as of right now, the pinroll cuff works perfectly, and you want to make sure that you have the perfect size cuff. You don't want to go too big, don't want to go too small, don't want to have it too high, or don't want to have it too low. Now some people like to do it for different reasons. Doing a pinroll is used for like when you want to be really classy or you want to be fashion forward in a lifestyle way, and you want to try to show off your socks a little bit. So if you have some boots, or if you have like those nice loafers or whatever it may be, you could put a roll to it. If you have some really clean, crisp socks, I mean, I'm talking about the snazzy ones. You know, when you want to get stylish and you got the crazy colors. Nobody wants to have that long leg reaching all the way down, and you can barely. What's the point of even having those socks on if you can't show them off? So the pinwheel helps you add that extra flair to your fashion. It adds that extra sauce to it. So I'm gonna show you how to do that as well. Some people like to do it for their sneakers. You could be wearing raw denim, and we all know if, let's say for example, you're wearing some Concords, and you have on some raw denim, those things will bleed super bad, man. You don't want to get no blood on that. You don't want to get none of that blue blood on that. Nah, it's hard. Everybody know that it's hard to get that dye out. So people like to use the pinwheel cuff in that order. Or sometimes people like to use the jogger effect. They wanna wear jeans, but they don't have like joggers that fit the right way they want to, but they can have a pair of jeans that fit exactly the way they want. All you have to do is take that cuff and fold it up, and you'll have that tapered jogger effect that you're looking for. And on top of that, it won't cost you any money. You're keeping money in your pocket. It's stopping you from going to the cleaners, getting them altered, and spending about 50, 45, 50 bucks, whatever your equipment is keeping money in your pocket. So you might as well just stash that, keep that in your pocket for a rainy day, because you're about to do something for free and it'll keep you fashion forward. Let's get right to it. Let's go. First thing first, as you see, these pants are like baggy and it's slouched all over. It look like my jeans are like melting, like it's swallowing the top of the sneaker. I personally don't like that look. So what you can do is raise your pant. Before you even start to work on your cuff, you want to raise it up a little, so you can have it like perfectly fitted to your leg. Like you want a perfect fit, like the cuff is sitting right at the top of your sneaker. And then the next step that you want to do is grab the pants, right? You want to pinch on it and pinch to how tight you want your cuff to be. So let me show you how it looks. You see all of this excess jean? You want to pinch how tight you want your jeans to be. Like how tight you want that taper to be. So you can either have your cuff to be like super loose, or you can have it like slightly tight, or you can have it tapered all the way where it looks completely like skinny jeans in a way. So it'll look something like this presentation here. I have really big calves, so don't worry about that, but your taper will look really, really tight like skinny jeans. So if you want that look, you can pinch it to how tight you want to. But me, I don't like to have it that tight, and the roll wouldn't actually work like I want, because you have to have your thumb to be able to be inside to fold it. So again, your first step, you want to pinch how tight you want your cuff to be. So once you pinch it, you want to straighten your leg out and then fold it back. Fold that excess jean to the back. Now it presents pretty clean, right? It looks like a straight jean, like it's following along your entire leg. Now that you have it pinched, you want to make sure that you are pinching the bottom. Keep it held, because you don't want to let it go and make that unravel before you even start your fold. So now what you do is fold up, like in an upward manner. So you can use your thumb as a helper. Press on where you want to fold and lift up. start to fold it upward and go all around the entire leg. Okay, now that's the first fold. So this isn't locked in place, right? If you let this go, it will just unravel because it's not tight, it's not gripped on your leg. So what you want to do is add one more roll to it. Keep that same pinch that you have already. Do not let go of that. Hold on to it and fold upward one more time. And go all the way around evenly. You want to do like a fold and tuck type of technique. So fold and tuck in like you would with some bed sheets. Fold and tuck. And go all the way around till it's perfectly even. And now, as you can see, with just 2 folds, you have the perfect pinroll cuff. As you can see, my hands are here. I could shake my leg as much as I want to. It won't come loose, and I still have that tapered jean effect, like that tapered jogger effect. So if you look at the difference, you can see that this leg is just baggy all over the whole thing. Is just hanging over it like it's swallowing the entire top of the sneaker. We don't want that presentation. What we want is this, like that jogger effect, that tight presentation, kind of like skinny jeans or slim jeans, whatever you're looking for. If you want that type of tapered effect on your pants, this will be the perfect way to go. And it's not a big cuff. It's actually pretty small. It's not too big, it's not too small. And we're all good. We're good to go. It doesn't look sloppy. It looks rather nice. Alright y'all, so that wraps it up for doing the pinroll cuff on your jeans. Now it may take a couple tries for you to get it perfect. It may take about 2 or 3 tries for you to get it. So if you don't get it on the first time, it's alright. Do it again, try it again. And once you do complete it, if you want, you could send a DM to my Instagram or you could send it to my Twitter and let me know how you did your perfect pinroll. Either social media channel you want to send it my way, and I will give you a shout out come around next time on my next post, y'all. If you like this video, go ahead and hit a like down at the bottom and go ahead, drop them comments down below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit that notification bell. And just like always, it's me, Camp Quarterbacks, headwear connoisseur, streetwear lover. I'm out, I'm gone. I'll holla at you. Peace.
Tuesday night, and I'm hella bit.